Straġġi, paniku u kaos. Festival tal-Komunità Filippina f'Vancouver, il-Kanada, is-sibt tard filgħaxija nbidel f'dadija ta' veloċità eċċessiva fejn sewwieq ta' 30 sena kienes li l-kull min sab qudiemu saq fil-folla. Għal-festival Lapu-Lapu kien hemm l-eluf f'atmosfera ċelebrattiva li nbidlet f'ħakkatajn.
I heard the news and came here.
Sounds like it's going to be a tragic day for the city.
What are you feeling right now, Pat?
I'm pretty choked up. I don't even know what to say. This was a great day. Wonderful event. Huge community event. And to have it end in tragedy like this, it won't break us or the community, but it's horrible.
Il-Pulizija f'Vancouver ikkonfermat li n-numru tal-vittmi tela l-11 b'ħafna oħra midruba.
At approximately 8:14 p.m., a lone suspect, subject male with one vehicle, drove through a crowded community event occurring near here. That male was taken into custody at the scene by the crowd.
L-aggressur saq kemm jiflaħ fuq il-folla sakemm waqaf u prova jaħrab minn fuq il-post iżda sab il-kollha tan-nies li żammewh sakemm waslu l-pulizija u arrestawh. Il-Pulizija Vancouver qalu li dan ma kienx att terroristiku u r-raġel aġixxa waħdu.